Okay, I want to show you a very simple tooth movement that could be actually simpler if you plan the clincheck properly. So take a look at number 7, otherwise known as the upper right 2. You notice how it is rotated mesial in. And here you see a clincheck where we have a mesial out rotation. Now, the clincheck has decided that IPR is not needed because you have the upper central coming forward, canines rotating out. But what is it about this rotation, even if it's maybe not fully realized virtually, maybe it needs to come out a little more. I'm not talking about overcorrection. But what you're looking at, what could be more predictable? Well, first of all, it is a hinge rotation. That's the better kind, meaning that the distal aspect isn't moving it out as much. It's rotating out like as if this is on a door hinge. But that's not what I want to show you. Anything else look unpredictable about this or less than predictable? Well, when I pull this down and you view it more front facing, take a look. See the mesial out? Okay, well, what's wrong with it? Well, here's what I'd like to do. If you look at it in this view, notice how it's rotating, but the root is moving distally. There's no need for the root to move distally. So let's modify this clincheck. The incisal edge of this tooth is a little bit uneven as it is. So let's let this clincheck modification load up. Should happen any second. Here we go. And now I make the following modification. I just make the tooth rotate on its axis by leaving the root the way it is. And now it's rotating on its axis, and it's less of a compound movement, moving just in one plane. And that means you may not even need to use an attachment on it. You could still place one, but even with or without an attachment, that's a much simpler movement with a simple adjustment made on the clincheck. Yep.